Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add subtitle in Shotcut. So adding subtitle in Shotcut is a breeze, and this video I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how you can do it. So open your Shotcut and load your video file by dragging it to your timeline as usual. Then click on the video in the timeline, then go to the filter tab, then click the plus icon or click the button. Click the plus button to add a new filter and select text, then simple or text, then rich, depend on your preference. Then enter your subtitle text in the text box. You can adjust the font, the size, and the color and position of the text to match your video. And after that, drag the edge of the text clip in the timeline to match the timing of the dialogue or scene in your video. Then after that, add more text clip for each subtitle, adjusting the timing and the position as needed.